Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Indian Super Scout. The 2025 Indian Super Scout has been honored as the best cruiser motorcycle of 2025, setting a new industry standard with its unparalleled blend of power, style, and advanced technology. This accolade is a testament to Indian Motorcycle's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a cruiser can offer. The heart of the 2025 Indian Super Scout is its robust 1,200 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, which delivers an impressive 110 horsepower and 80 lb-ft of torque. This powerful engine provides thrilling acceleration and a smooth, responsive ride, making it ideal for both urban commutes and long-distance cruising. The Super Scout's performance is further enhanced by its lightweight frame and precision engineering, ensuring agile handling and a stable ride. Design-wise, the Super Scout is a masterclass in blending classic aesthetics with modern sophistication. The motorcycle's sleek, low-slung profile is complemented by aggressive lines and a blacked-out finish, giving it a bold, contemporary look. Key design features include a solo saddle, chopped fenders, and alloy wheels that enhance its distinctive appearance. Incorporating cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Super Scout features a comprehensive digital display that provides vital information such as speed, gear position, and fuel level at a glance. Advanced rider aids, including ABS, traction control, and customizable riding modes, ensure safety and versatility in various riding conditions. The bike also comes with integrated Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to seamlessly connect their devices for navigation and entertainment. Ergonomics and comfort have been meticulously considered in the design of the Super Scout. The motorcycle boasts a low seat height, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars that create a comfortable and commanding riding position. The premium suspension system, along with its well-balanced chassis, ensures a smooth ride over long distances without compromising on control or agility. The 2025 Indian Super Scout represents the pinnacle of our engineering and design capabilities, said a spokesperson for Indian Motorcycle. It embodies our relentless pursuit of excellence, offering riders a cruiser that is as powerful and reliable as it is stylish and comfortable. The Indian Super Scout has received widespread acclaim from both industry experts and motorcycle enthusiasts. Its combination of robust performance, advanced technology, and striking design has firmly established it as the premier choice for cruiser motorcycles in 2025. As it hits the market, the 2025 Indian Super Scout is poised to redefine the cruiser segment, offering an unmatched riding experience. For those seeking a motorcycle that excels in every aspect, the Indian Super Scout stands out as the definitive choice, earning its place as the best cruiser motorcycle of 2025.